Hello everyone, I am Ramalakshmi here. Now we are going to see libraries in Python. So the Python is very famous nowadays because of its rich set of libraries. To my knowledge, I think Python has more than 200 numbers of libraries or packages or modules. So because of its rich set of modules, Python is very popular in data science and machine learning and artificial industry. So now we are going to see Python libraries. So libraries in Python is nothing but a collection of methods and functions which are used for doing various tasks. Using this Python library, the users are allowed to do perform various tasks based on their need. So now we are going to see some of most widely used Python libraries. So now this is pandas. The pandas are one of the most widely used one of the most widely used of the libraries in Python is the pandas. The pandas are nothing but the pandas are used to store the data. So using this, we can store the data in a table format. Using this pandas library, you can fetch the data and you can do all sort of data manipulations. So if you want to get the data from the database, you can make use of the pandas libraries methods. So before you have to use the pandas methods or functions, first you have to import the pandas library, then you are able to use all the method from the pandas library. So the data will get stored in the table format or the pandas data frame, usually we will call. So the data frame has the table format. The table is obviously table is nothing but it will have rows and columns, two-dimension data. So before you want to do all the data manipulations from the database, you can import all the import the pandas library. Then you can make use of all the methods and functions of the pandas. Okay. Then now we are going to see the one more library, or then we are going to see the next library of this Python programming language. This one is numerical Python, NumPy array. We will call this as NumPy array. So the NumPy array is nothing but numerical Python. Using this, you can do many numerical operations. If you want to do many mathematical calculation, mathematical and scientific computations are possible for numerical data because of this numerical Python library. So before using this numerical Python library, you have to import this library. Then the users are allowed to make use of all the methods and function from this numerical Python library or NumPy array. So you can fetch the data slicing, indexing, fetching, updation, all kind of manipulations are possible in a multi-dimensional array because of this numerical Python a NumPy array or numerical Python array of Python programming language. So this is one of the most widely used package or method library available for Python for doing all the mathematical and scientific calculations. So it is most widely used library of Python language. So now we are going to see some more packages. So the scatter plot, if you want to show the data in a visual form, the visual form or and the graphical form, if you want to show the data to others, then you can make use of this scatter plot. Well, the scatter plot is nothing but type of plot available in the matplotlib library. So the one more most widely used library of Python is matplotlib. So using this matplotlib, you can import various kinds of on the plots. So one is on the scatter plot. This like scatter plot, bar chart, pie chart, histogram, stack plot. Many types are available. So based on your problem or situation or scenario, you can import any type of chart from the matplotlib library. So like other library, you have to you have to import the matplotlib first before you want to make use of any methods and functions from this matplotlib library. So once you get import all the libraries, then you can make use of the methods and functions available from the library by using various parameters and attributes. So this is just an visual representation or graphical representation of data. So this is the way you can make use of all the available Python libraries. So the Python libraries are nothing but collection of methods and functions. So we have to make use of that methods and functions for achieving or doing or performing any task. Okay. So because of this rich set of libraries, the Python is very highlighted or hot kick nowadays in the machine learning industry. That's all now. So we will see the remaining thing in the upcoming videos. Thank you.